If you want to cook dinner in a hassle-free way while allowing the meat to cook in the marinades slowly, you can opt for a Sous Vide cooker. Lucky for you, this video presents the best Sous video reviews. There are many products available to choose Sous Vide cookers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Sous Vide cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a reliable Sous Vide machine, ensuring noiseless operation and consistent temperature throughout the water container. You can heat up to 20 liters of water at 1000 watts output, with a minimal noise of 40 decibels. Furthermore, you can check and control the temperature and timer from anywhere in the home, courtesy of the 2.4 Wi-Fi connection to the Inkbird Pro app. If you want to preserve the moisture, marinade, and flavors of the meat while retaining the nutrient benefits of beef, you can consult the cooking recipes on the app. The Inkbird Sous Vide cooker comes with a protection alarm that stops the cooker from working if the water level is below a certain minimum. Moreover, the ergonomic design allows you to operate the cooker single-handedly. Lastly, the 12-month warranty makes this best Sous Vide cooker a safe investment. Number 2. Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is an efficient Sous Vide cooker that comes with a smartphone app, allowing you to control and monitor the cooking on your smart device. You can also use the ultra-responsive touch buttons on the Innova cooker and read the settings on the digital screen. Another exciting feature of the smartphone app is the availability of the best Sous Vide recipes, with accurate cooking time and temperatures. If you are a beginner, it's the best Sous Vide machine that allows you to familiarize yourself with the entire cooking process before you customize the cooking time. The Innova Sous Vide cooker comes with a sturdy clamp, so that you can attach it to the container's sides. Moreover, it ensures a resistance-free rotation of the screw, allowing you to tightly secure the Sous Vide cooker in its place. The Innova Sous Vide machine is the best slow cooker with temperature control. It's integrated with the latest technology, allowing you to slow cook remotely from anywhere in the home. Whether cooking a simple meal or an extravagant feast, the precision cooker heats water faster and holds temperature precisely, so you can get cooking quicker than ever. Positive side of this product: comes with an app for remote monitoring, faster heat up time, durable construction, easy to use. Number 3. Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. The Innova Culinary Bluetooth Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano is one of the best Sous Vide cookers, offering 12.7 inches in length and 2.2 inches in diameter. In addition, this sleek Sous Vide cooker comes in a sleek design compared to other Innova Precision cookers. The Innova Nano features a stylish and sturdy clamp, allowing you to tighten the cooker in any type of container. Furthermore, it comes with a clear touchscreen display on which you can read the numbers from a fair distance. The touch buttons are pretty responsive, allowing you to set the time and temperature. Alternatively, you can adjust the settings on the app via Bluetooth connectivity from a distance of up to 30 square feet. The Innova Nano cooker features a maximum temperature of 197 degrees, with 99 hours of non-stop heating. In addition, it offers a faster heating time of 22 minutes, courtesy of the 750 wattage heating power. Positive side of this product: sleek design, made of durable plastic, good value, easy to use, ultra-responsive touch buttons. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.